Hi friends, welcome to Smart Brain. In this video, we are going to watch the President of India related question and answers. Okay, let's start. Question number 1. Who is the first citizen of India? Answer: President. What is the minimum age required to be the President of India? Answer: 35 years. Next question. What are the qualifications for the election as President? Answer: all of the above. What is the term of office for the President of India? Answer: 5 years. Question number 5. What is the official residence of the President of India is known as? Answer: Rashtrapati Bhavan. Who administers the oath of office to the President of India? Answer: Chief Justice. The letter of resignation of the President of India should be addressed to the Answer: Vice President. How many presidents have been elected in India since the introduction of the post in 1950? Answer: 14. Who was the first president of India? Answer: Rajendra Prasad. Question number 10. Who was the first vice president of India? Answer: Radhakrishnan. Who was the first woman president of India? Answer: Pratibha Patil. Who was the first acting president of India? Answer: V.V. Giri. Who was the youngest president of India? Answer: Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. Who is the current vice president of India? Answer: Venkaiah Naidu. Question number 15. Who was served as a both president and acting president of India? Answer: V.V. Giri. Who was the longest serving president of India? Answer Rajendra Prasad. Who was the first president died in office? Answer Zakir Hussain. Who was the first vice president died in office? Answer Krishan Kant. Who is the first president from South India? Answer Radhakrishnan. Question number 20. Who was the first person from the Dalit community to become the President of India? Answer K.R. Narayanan. Who was elected unopposed as the President of India? Answer Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. Which former president's birthday is also celebrated as a Teacher's Day? Answer Radhakrishnan. Which former president is also one of the most distinguished scientists of India? Answer Abdul Kalam. Is the President of India is the Supreme Commander of the Indian Armed Forces? Answer yes. Question number 25. The President of India is the Answer Head of State. This is previous video quiz. Which city in India is known as Gateway of India? Answer Mumbai. This video's viewers special question. Who is the current President of India? Guess the answer for this quiz and type it in your comment section. We will check the correct answer on next video. Please like this video and share this video. For more videos, subscribe this channel and click the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching.